So New River Valley is located in the beautiful area of Dublin, Virginia. We are the largest plant in our company. We have about 566 acres and 2.3 million square feet of manufacturing. We do the cab and we do the final assembly for all Volvo trucks in North America.
Aurora and Volvo Autonomous Solutions have been working together for about 4 years. Line-side integration means that we are installing the autonomous kit on the assembly line. The design is fully integrated. The autonomous components and the base truck components work together and are installed at the same time on the factory floor. The key goal for building in a factory is to achieve scalability. There's a reason that all cars and trucks are built on an assembly line. It's because you can take advantage of automated processes, standardized tools.
In this plant, we have our GPPP, which is Global Platform Pilot Plant, where we bring all the new trucks to life to really understand how to make the best launch of a truck possible.
When we bring in the Aurora hardware, doesn't exist in a conventional truck. So we gotta integrate these hardwares into the conventional truck with an existing infrastructure. We don't have any instructions for it. We've never done this before.
Technicians, everything that are here, have years of experience. They're able to actually see, because of the prior builds that we've done, how the flow and function is going to work.
As a team, we've been brainstorming, finding solutions. Along the way, we've invented new processes, new tools. Integrating an autonomous hardware kit into a truck is the next transformative leap in the industry. It has never been done before, and we are doing it right here.
Every time we finish one, it's just like, whoa, we did that. So there's definitely a lot of pride there.
When I'm going to see one of these on the road, that's my baby. That's how I feel.
It's one thing to look at a picture, to look at it in CAD, to look at the amazing work our technicians have done in upfitting, but to actually see this roll off the assembly line, all the people, all the parts coming together to make it happen is truly thrilling.
It's nothing but extraordinary. With our platform collaborating and working with Aurora to bring a product to the marketplace, it's just amazing. And I think we showed together that we are in the forefront of the industry and anything is possible, and this is just a start.